February 14th, we're talking about the blizzard of '07 right now, to give you a sense of how bad it is, but that's one of the reasons I'm in the garage doing this. It's blowing around so much I don't want to get the camera too wet. And just a little bit of the radar loop here to go with the last segment there, give you an idea of what's coming. And you can see it starting to pile up here, falling at a rate of about 1 inch an hour, and they're telling me that this isn't even the heaviest of it yet. So the winds are picking up, which you can tell. Just got the word Fort Wayne is now declared a snow emergency, so nobody's allowed on the streets anyway. 3 o'clock, just did the walks again. You can see it is starting to pile up a little bit here. Still not even halfway through the storm yet, and the worst is still yet to come. And still it comes down. That's where it's coming up the worst. Somebody horsing around. 5 p.m. and it's still coming down. And we have at least 12 more hours of this. Walks were just done. Well, 7 o'clock, and we still got it coming. Well, Valentine's Day, Wednesday morning, about 8:30. Let's go check the damage. Just started, got one quick patch done this morning to get out here a little bit. And you can hear the wind blowing just a hair, but the sun is shining, which is pretty. Check out some of the drifting here. And then we look toward the back, and you can see it piled up quite nicely on the side of the garage. Check out my day's work for today, called the driveway. That is not shoveled snow on there, that is just what drifted. But you can tell the winds are less because some of it actually hit. I mean, all of that's going to have to be moved. And going to take me a little while to get that all done. But you can see how it drifted, because you look down here and there's nothing. So it's a few drifts I'm going to have to do today. Let's check out the front. See, the road has been plowed with all the garbage thrown back in my yard and driveway. Only got 8 inches last night. And you can hear all the snow blowers and that going along here. Kind of a noisy day. So I'll be in and out all day shoveling. Well, it took all day. Too much of my back energy. The leaf blower and the help of one of my friendly neighbors, but finally got it to where we could get out of the place. So we'll show you what the damage looked like here. But you can see here we have finally a shot through the end of the driveway. And you can see the size of the drifts, especially after they've been shoveled. Can get to my car. And the heck with the sidewalks. Of course, if you look, nobody else seems to care about those either. Just took the little one to school. Gonna give you a little idea of what she looks like here on the way back, just to make you a little more jealous. But they got it fairly well cleaned up already. Of course, they canceled an extra day just to make sure. So with an extra 24 hours, they got a lot of it done. Trying to figure out what the heck he was doing. See some good piles there at the neighbors. And home again and not going anywhere today. The Balo House. If you lived here, you'd be home by now. Well, thought I'd take one of the back ways to go pick up the little one so you could see a little more of what's going on around here. Get the neighborhood here, see what it looks like. Yes, lots of piles. You see the sun's melting a little bit of it. Nothing like anti-lock brakes. Yeah, not as pleasant driving through here as it is on the highway. Guess which way I'm going back. Oh, that's nice. Ready? Has a limit of 10 minutes for the video, 100 meg limit on the size, but only 10 minutes on the playing time, which I think is weird. So I'll be doing some editing on these. Any day now, lady. Nice wall of snow here. Ah!
Take this.
What do you got in here? Bricks?
Yes, I took bricks. She had a dig.